Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, the AI cake cut image effect that's taking the internet by storm. This viral trend is all about using AI to create unique, eye-catching images that are captivating audiences worldwide. So, how does this magic happen? Well, it's all thanks to the power of AI image editing tools. These tools allow us to manipulate and transform images in ways that were once unimaginable. By using AI, we can easily create the illusion of cutting through a cake or any other object, creating a captivating visual effect. But why has this trend become so popular? It's simple. People love to be amazed and entertained. The AI cake cut effect is a perfect example of how technology can enhance our lives and create new, exciting experiences. Now, let's talk about how you can create your own versions of this creative, viral effect. It's actually quite simple, and you don't need to be a tech wizard to give it a try. With the right tools and a bit of creativity, you can join in on the fun and create your own stunning AI-generated images. In conclusion, the AI cake cut effect is just one example of how AI is changing the way we engage with digital content. It's an exciting time to be a tech enthusiast, and we can't wait to see what other amazing effects and trends emerge in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech insights and fun. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.